Hello, beautiful people. So, today I'm ready to teach you Act 2, Scene 3 of Merchant of Venice. So, let's get started without wasting much time. So, let's see where is the setting of the scene. So, the setting of the scene is one of the room in Shylock's house. And let's see the characters to whom we'll be introduced to in the play. And they are Lancelot and Jessica. About Lancelot Gobbo, we have already discussed in our previous videos. That is Act 2, Scene 2. And we have already seen that Lancelot is a servant of Shylock, and as he was very unhappy under his service, he decided to leave Shylock's service and join another service of Bassanio, who was a kind Christian. So let's start without wasting much time. But now you must be thinking, who is Jessica? But now I'm not gonna reveal who is Jessica. We will be coming to know about her when we will read the context. So let's get started. After leaving Shylock's service, Lancelot comes to say goodbye to Jessica. So let's see who is Jessica. For the first time, we are introduced to Jessica, who is Shylock's daughter. I've already talked an infinite deal about Shylock in our previous videos. So now I'm not gonna tell much about Shylock. I would just say that he is the villain of the play Merchant of Venice, and he was a very cruel moneylender, a Jew. So Jessica is the daughter of the cruel Jew Shylock. Jessica is really sorry to hear that Lancelot is leaving their service. And she clearly says our house is hell, and this clearly portrays the fact that she is very unhappy with her father, and the house she lives in is very full of misery. She says that Lancelot, a merry devil. Why a merry devil? Because with his sense of humor, he used to keep his surrounding very lively. Because she's clearly saying that due to that Shylock's stupid behavior, her house is full of misery. So Lancelot is the one who used to keep all misery away from their house and create a lively atmosphere, due to which she used to feel good. She also adds that she is same of being Shylock's daughter, and says that she only relates him by blood and not his manners. We have already known about much about Shylock's behavior, how he is cruel and how he treats others, how he lends money at a very high rates of interest. So she tells that she relates to her father only by blood. I mean, she only knows Shylock because she is her daughter, but she doesn't relate to him by any means in his behavior. Then we'll see that as Lancelot is about to leave, she gives him a letter to pass it to Lorenzo. And we have already discussed in character description that Lorenzo is one of the friends of Bassanio. So as Bassanio had invited Lancelot to dinner, then Portia says that as Lorenzo is the friend of Bassanio, please pass this letter to Lorenzo. So with teary eyes, Lancelot leaves the Shylock's house and says a heartbreaking farewell to Jessica. As Lancelot leaves, she reveals her plan of elopement with Christian Lorenzo. The letter revealed that Lorenzo had promised to love Jessica and marry her, and if he keeps his promise, she will be converted into a Christian with no guilt. So the letter revealed that she is trying to elope with a Christian, betraying her father. So if you are given a question in the examination to compare between the character of Portia and Jessica, we will have a lot of points. Like we've already discussed how Portia is very responsible daughter, how she is a faithful one, even if her father is dead and he has left behind a device, that is a lottery of casket. She is bound to it, and she's not even ready to choose whom she likes and refuse whom she dislikes. So we got to know that she's a very responsible and faithful daughter. But look at Jessica. She is trying to betray her father and get married to a Christian. So it clearly portrays the fact that she is not at all faithful to her father. So somewhere we also know that Shylock is a reason because he is so devilish that no one would like to stay with him. So this is all about Act 2 Scene 3. Hope it helped you. Thank you.